Hello everyone, today I have a review of another German knife from the Otter company, Otter Finn. As in the case with the Otter company, a beige pouch with manufacturer's logo for storing the knife. A leaflet with information in English and German languages. A wipe for the knife. Additionally, I got a leather keychain and a few stickers. And the knife itself. Total length is 19.5 centimeters, blade length is 8.5 centimeters. Blade thickness is 2 mm. The steel of the blade is Sandvik 14C28N. It is a high quality Swedish stainless steel with very little impurities. Tempered between 60 to 61 HRC. Flat grind. Satin finish. On one side you can see the company name and logo depicting an otter. And the name of the steel 14C28N. Also inscription Zollingen, Germany. Opening with the non-standard but cool nail nick. The handle scales are made of green micarta. The whole thing is rifted. Back lock. A half paracord. In summary, the Otter is a company with a very long tradition which mainly aims for simple classics, but here we have a combination of classics and modernity. Micarta provides an excellent grip, even in a sweaty hand. Strong lock, very good stainless steel, so the knife is more resistant to more aggressive conditions. As you can see, it's a bigger folder, but I like this type of knives. The mechanics works flawlessly. I didn't notice any difficulties with opening and closing. I really like this knife, one of my favorite models from the other company, Ofa. I also recommend purchasing a leather sheath, which is perfect for storing the knife. That's all this review. Thanks for watching.